was a legend in the country field here a while back. He spent 66 years on the Grand Ole Opry, and somebody asked me if I knew one of his songs. So I said, yeah, I can throw one of them in. I said, I did do one of his songs, and it was one of Johnny Carson's favorites too. I found that out. And little Jimmy Dickens passed away, a couple weeks ago. So I thought, well, for that request, I would go ahead and do this one of Jimmy's songs, and it's called May the Bird of Paradise Fly Up Your Nose. One fine day when I was walking down the street, I met a man with fat on his feet. Took a minute from my pocket, in his tin cup I did drop it, and I heard him say as I made my retreat, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant caress you with his toe, may your wife be played with the runners in her hoe, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. My laundry man is really on his toes. Found $100 bill in my clothes. When he called me, I came running, gave him back his dime for phoning, and I heard him say as I turned to go, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may your elephant caress you with his toe, may your wife be plagued with the runners in her hoe, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. One fine day when I was late to catch a plane, taxi driver said, we'll make it just the same. But a speed cop came with it, and as he rolled out his ticket, I stood by politely waiting for the chill. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may the elephant caress you with his toe, may your wife be plagued with the runners in her hoe, may the bird of paradise fly up your Very much. Old Jimmy, he was quite the treat for, I guess, from 1948 until December when he made his last appearance on the Grand Ole Opry.